Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Why are 70 billion daily views driving YouTube's finance teams insane? Why YouTube never loses money, even when global advertising crashes. How much money does it actually cost to run YouTube's algorithm? How can YouTube afford to host 500 hours of new video every single minute? How will new border laws force YouTube to rebuild its entire server network? Concluding our multi-part business model canvas analysis of YouTube, we arrive at the final foundational quadrant that governs platform profitability. Part 9. Cost Structure. YouTube operates a business model characterized by exceptionally high operating leverage, where higher revenues generate disproportionately greater profit margins because fixed overhead remains stable. While upfront investments in technical infrastructure, machine learning R&D, and global regulatory compliance are astronomical, the ongoing marginal cost to deliver an additional video stream to a user drops close to zero at a global scale. 73. 8 cases related to cost structure. Case A. The YouTube Partner Program (YPP) payout pool, the largest expense class on the platform, consisting of the automated 55% ad revenue share payouts channeled directly to independent creators and channels. Case B. Content ID Media Copyright Royalty Payouts, continuous financial outflows directed to legacy entertainment holdings, record labels, and movie studios, surpassing over $10 billion historically, for licensed audio and visual properties matching system signatures. Case C. Alphabet Technical Infrastructure and TPU Capital Expenditures, massive data center computing costs driven by running thousands of specialized tensor processing units, TPUs, to calculate recommendation logic and power user models. Case D. High-volume video transcoding and ingestion storage overhead, the recurring server processing costs incurred by compressing and saving roughly 500+ hours of fresh video uploaded to platform servers every minute. Case E. Global content moderation and trust and safety controls, operational outlays used to maintain a large network of global human evaluation hubs alongside deep neural network content classification filters to protect brand safety. Case F. Record label premium audio licensing agreements, high upfront licensing minimums and flat fee guarantees paid out to major music labels, e.g., Universal Music Group, Sony Music, to keep native audio catalogs active on YouTube Premium and Music. Case G. International regulatory compliance and legal audits, financial overhead tied to monitoring shifting international privacy structures, data protection rules, and local content quota enforcement across active territories. Case H. Physical GGC server node logistics and upkeep, hardware production, international shipping, and localized deployment expenses required to scale and swap server units within partner internet provider hubs. 74. For open-ended questions. As YouTube Shorts scaling surpasses 70 billion daily views, how should financial teams adjust processing capital allocations to balance high short-form computing overhead against its unique, pooled ad revenue share economics? What infrastructural engineering changes can YouTube execute to lower the data processing costs of running real-time, sub-millisecond AI ad auctions as brand requirements become more complex? How will growing global data localization laws modify YouTube's infrastructure cost structure compared to its current unified global edge delivery architecture? In what ways can platform marketing groups restructure customer acquisition spending models to convert non-paying, heavy ad-tier viewers into high-margin premium subscribers without increasing promotional discount friction? 75. For explanations. The architecture of pooled revenue sharing, unlike traditional video apps that pay flat licensing fees, YouTube anchors its cost structure directly to revenue performance. Because the 55% YPP creator payout is variable, YouTube effectively shifts financial risk away from its baseline budget. If ad demands decline globally, its massive creator cash outflow drops symmetrically, shielding core platform margins. The multi-tier content amortization paradox. While short-form videos seem cheap to host, their explosive daily volume creates hidden compute and ingestion costs. Conversely, high-value live sports streaming deals, like NFL Sunday Ticket, represent massive, fixed upfront capital risks but offer exceptional multi-year monetization capabilities that anchor premium subscription margins. Computing expenses and real-time machine learning telemetry. The algorithm is a major driver of back-end infrastructure costs. Processing billions of viewer actions every second to continuously update home recommendations requires immense processing power across Alphabet data centers, turning algorithmic precision into a major, recurring line item. Ecosystem ad adjacency and brand safety overhead. Brand safety is an operational necessity. If a premium ad deploys next to inappropriate content, global brands pull millions in ad spend. Therefore, continuous spending on automated filtering systems and human verification hubs acts as insurance to protect multi-billion-dollar enterprise ad yields. 76. For implementation plans. Plan 1, Next-Gen AV1 Transcoding Architecture Optimization. Upgrade automated video encoding pipelines to prioritize hyper-efficient compression profiles. Cutting-edge network distribution bandwidth costs during peak usage spikes. Plan 2, Hybrid Edge Compute Database Migration Rollout. Move secondary data tracking tasks directly onto local GGC edge node configurations to lower core data center server calculation workloads. Plan 3, Automated Trust and Safety Policy Sandbox Testing. Deploy advanced multimodal language models into first-pass moderation pipelines, reducing the volume of borderline flags routed to expensive human review hubs. Plan 4, Localized Payment Processor Stack Integration. Restructure alternative in-app purchase links across emerging markets to bypass mobile marketplace fees, preserving regional premium margins. 77. For implementation processes. Process 1. Core computing cost allocation balancings. Collect monthly infrastructure bills, bandwidth metrics, and server invoices, then segment resource costs across product lines, streaming, recommendations, ads, shorts, then Measure individual profile stream computing overhead against efficiency metrics, then adjust data center loads dynamically to optimize capacity and minimize processing drag, then Process 2, Variable Creator Revenue Share Settlement Track. Log gross ad revenues generated across individual video channels monthly, then apply automated 55% partner split distributions within the account ledger, then route calculated balances through automated AdSense payment processing funnels, then pass transaction anomalies to specialized risk models to check for click fraud, then Process 3, Real-time ingestion transcoding profiling flow. A user completes an upload pass of a fresh media file asset onto system nodes, then run automated visual metadata scans to check resolution states and video movement, then apply scene adaptive compression algorithms to choose optimal output files, then store the resulting variable bitrate video fragments across regional GGC nodes, then Process 4, Compliance-driven data storage optimization sequence. Monitor changing international data protection regulations and localization rules, then isolate user profile records and watch logs belonging to specific regional borders, then migrate target databases over to secure, localized regional cloud infrastructure, then verify system synchronization paths to avoid global layout lag issues, then 78. For actionable recommendations. Optimize core streaming compressions. Continually update scene adaptive encoding profiles to limit the transmission sizes of long-form media, lowering edge delivery bills during viral traffic peaks. Align marketing spend with customer lifetime value. Structure customer acquisition budgets so promotional incentives are focused strictly on user groups showing long-term retention potential, preventing waste on high-churn users. Automate first-pass subtitle localization. Utilize advanced machine translation models to build baseline multi-language script tracks for international uploads, lowering human review expenses. Consolidate technical stack vendors. Leverage Alphabet's massive global footprint to negotiate bulk volume discounts on data center infrastructure and software licenses to lower recurring operational overhead. 79. 4 to-do items. Conduct financial return audits across newly integrated cloud architecture nodes to verify infrastructure cost efficiency targets. Review hardware electricity usage curves across global GGC server clusters to pinpoint regional power saving opportunities. Audit consulting fee distributions across external personalization engineering groups to ensure clear performance returns. Verify asset depreciation parameters for older original programming catalog properties ahead of upcoming corporate filings. 80. For practical techniques. Unit cost stream telemetry tracking. Quantifying exact infrastructure and data movement costs down to individual user profiles to isolate subtle efficiency fluctuations. Predictive cloud capacity provisioning. Deploying machine learning scaling indicators to dynamically adjust server allocations ahead of massive show releases, avoiding over-provisioning expenses. Automated marketing conversion calculations, using real-time data filters to track viewer acquisition costs from digital promotions, enabling rapid reallocations away from poor-performing channels. Centralized sourcing framework management, leveraging platform-wide procurement metrics to negotiate bulk discounts on global network transit leases and server storage arrays. 81. For practical steps. Step 1. Review technology infrastructure cost data logs to isolate the background processing microservices showing the fastest resource spending growth. Step 2. Replace unoptimized or outdated database queries with highly scalable, cloud-native relational database structures across test groups. Step 3. Validate the modified back-end software configurations within isolated staging networks to confirm that transaction processing speeds remain uncompromised. Step 4. Deploy the verified database adjustments across live production networks to lock in immediate system resource cost savings. This completes the 9-part business model canvas deep dive for YouTube, showcasing how a multi-sided ecosystem orchestrates global scale infrastructure, complex creator relationships, and data-driven monetization models to maintain its position as a global digital video leader. If this final look into the hidden economic engine of hyperscale tech blew your mind, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our deep dives into platform economics. Head down to the links in the description right now to download your free study materials and handouts, grab access to the free advanced chapter online tutorials, and share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.